You who haunt this place in the name of the Lord, I command you to go back to where you came from.
Oh God.
May your soul return to the earth. May your body return to the dust.
Oh, okay.
So be the will of the
See,
Lord.
you can't come over here because yep.
Oh God! Oh God! Uh-oh.
Oh,
Y'all
Mary's
did
dead.
something.
Mary's dead. Mary's dead. Get out. Get out. Mary's
Oh,
dead.
killed Eric.
Dead.
Mary is dead.
I'm dead.
I
Eric's
see an
dead.
arm. Oh, get Eric!
In a
God.
minute. I saw it like right above you too. I'm like, oh no.
Hi, Eric's arm. I just saw his arm just flopping around. We gotta get him. Exactly, Jen.
Exactly.